Hey guys, it's me again. So today I will be reviewing Ocean Eden Bay, the adult-only all-inclusive resorts in Jamaica. So it is about 45 minutes away from the airport. A lot of people say it's in Montego Bay, but it's actually located in Trelawney. Our transportation, we did book through Amstar. It was the option that Southwest Airlines gave us, so we just went ahead and did it, so we didn't have to research other transportation companies, and it just worked out pretty good. So this is our second time in Jamaica. Our first time we did stay along the strip in downtown Montego Bay, so for this couples trip we just thought we'd try out somewhere different. So right there is Ocean Coral Spring, which is the kid-friendly resort located right next to Ocean Eden Bay. So staying at Ocean, the adult only side, you do have access to Coral Spring, but Coral Spring does not have access to Eden Bay. And on the Coral Spring side is where a lot of the restaurants are, the bowling alley, things of that nature, which you will see. So the grounds are absolutely beautiful, guys. 10 out of 10 for scenery. I was thoroughly impressed with the way the pool looked. The resort was also very well kept. So as you can see, when you walk into the room, there is a closet area, which was pretty spacious, where you could set things in. There is a mini bar area, which had the sodas, the waters, stay hydrated. It was pretty warm when we were there. You have the safe, you have the bathroom. The toilet is in a separate area. So you open up the door and there it is. There's a phone there, which I didn't use it, but it's there if you need it. The shower was pretty deep. The water pressure was also pretty good. You have your double sinks located right there, the towels, you have a scale. We also had a jetted tub in our bathroom, which was super nice. And then if you look over here, we had our king bed with the 2 side tables, a super cute sitting area, a desk area, and then we were on the very top floor. When you open up the doors, our balcony looked like this. It was pretty spacious. We booked I believe it was a partial ocean view, which wasn't bad at all. You could still see the ocean from where we were, and it was just breathtakingly gorgeous just every single day, guys. Again, 10 out of 10 on just the overall aesthetics of this resort. Would definitely recommend. So the sunsets were definitely beautiful. What you're looking at is also our resort. The Coral Spring side is actually on the opposite side, and the layout is very similar with the pool in the middle and the lazy river. So over here on the Coral Spring side is where a lot of the restaurants were. So there's the sports bar, they had the buffet, they had a sushi hibachi spot, which was really good. They accommodated us quite well. Now for that, you did need reservations. There was a group of 10 of us, and I want to say we went maybe on a 3rd or 4th night, and the food was really good. Now, they didn't really have that many options in terms of the food, but the guy also gave us a great show, so we enjoyed it.
Up in here, up in here.
They did also have swim-up rooms. One of the couples in our group did get one of those, and it was absolutely gorgeous. They also have butler service, which is privileged, I believe, and you can upgrade to it. To be honest, I don't think it was too much of a difference. So probably half our group got it, the other half didn't, and they said it was just fine. Another restaurant that we tried out was Blue Moon, which I believe was French-inspired cuisine. To be honest, wasn't really my favorite. Others may like it. To me, it just, it's not my cup of tea, really. Another restaurant that we went to was called Sugarcane, and this was Caribbean-inspired cuisine. I believe I got fish and chips. Don't judge me. I should have gotten something else. It was still pretty good though. And then this was the buffet food the next morning for breakfast. I believe there was a pretty widespread in terms of variety of food. So again, overall, I was pretty impressed with the food that was at this particular resort. They also had nightly shows, which was pretty cool. I believe this one was on the Coral Springs side, so the family-friendly side. I forgot what was showing at our resort, but then we seen the Michael Jackson one and thought we would check it out. And honestly, it was pretty good. We thoroughly enjoyed it. And there was also nightly entertainment in like the common area outside on both sides of the resort, which was also pretty cool. Again, I would recommend this resort. I think location-wise, it may not be ideal, but there is a lot to do on the resort and it is absolutely beautiful. So if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you.